Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a seasonal reward or seasonal gift, and you can get a free epic weapon from this event or seasonal event or feature. So what you need to do is click the events banner at the left of your screen. This is click the seasonal. This is the seasonal event. As you can see, there are two seasonal events that happen right now. So I will show you one of it. One of them. This is a can't stop the signal event. So the top reward that you can get are this battle pass experience and also this sniper XPR 50, the epic one, the dolphin wings. So you can see the detail with dolphin's wing camo. So what you need to do is complete the task itself. So for example, use a score strike 3 times in multiplayer match, and then kill 5 enemies with hunter killer drone, and so on. Currently I'm in step 3 or the third step. So deploy the core package, score streak 3 times is my next task to complete. So the final task is use tag deploy operator skill 5 times or kill 15 enemies with score streak in multiplayer match. So after you complete the final task, you can get this XPR 50 dolphin wing camo, epic camo. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.